In this video, we're going to discover what Curipod is and how you might kind of use this in your classroom. So the first thing is it is a digital slide and presentation tool that you're able to integrate different polls, drawings, questions, and answers to really hear from every single student's voice in your classroom. Its goal is to make learning curious for students and allowing them to kind of think critically as well. So you can see here that we have the website, and what you can see in this image flip is you can do student kind of check-ins where you are able to have students answer different questions and ask them maybe about a good classroom environment and what it means to them. So when you are asking that question, you're able to again hear from every student. You can also do different word clouds where students are able to put in and plug in one word that describes a certain word. So, for example, climate change. Here is a drawing. So, students will draw something about what they're learning and they can use that tool. So, again, you're able to hear from students using multiple different ways for them to respond. Students could also vote for a different option, and then you're able to take what they say and have a conversation around these different responses. So, again, you can kind of see all around here what Curipod is. You're also able to discover lessons that have already been created. And what's nice here is you can search by all social emotional, math, check ins, brain breaks, creativity, and exploration. And once you find a lesson that you like, you can either just click and then you can copy and edit it. You can also play it, but I like to copy and edit so I can customize for my own classroom. This way, if I need to change a word or something like that, I'm able to, or if I want to change the image. Also, when I'm ready to create lessons, you are able to engage your students with different activities or a full lesson. So maybe you have a certain activity that you want to maybe activate that prior knowledge, have a discussion, or maybe have students draw or do like a would you rather, or maybe an exit ticket with AI feedback. You can also have it create full lessons, or you can have slides already created. So I'm going to go ahead and generate slides, and you can tell Curipod what you are teaching. So I'm going to go ahead and do touching spirit bear, not a sixth grade. And then what's nice is I can insert a standard if I wanted to. I just want to go ahead and see what magic appears. And as it is grabbing the information, you'll be able to see different modalities for students to learn when it comes to using Curipod. So we can see here that it grabbed some bears, which is really interesting because, again, it is called Spirit Bear. And then what happens is you can go through these and customize them. But you can see here, it tells you what activity it is using. So we've got the little cloud and we're grabbing the word cloud. So in what year was the book Touching Spirit Bear published? So you can have a conversation again to kind of grab students' background knowledge and have a conversation about these different activities. Here it's just talking about the novel. It's giving you different concepts, slides where you're able to talk about what did you know. Here's another open-ended question. So again, whenever you see this little icon, it means it's an activity. And then over here, you can see all of these different activities that you can either customize by adding different backgrounds. You can come in here and change the media. You can add text on top if you need to. You could add a timer or change the activity if you wanted to. But again, it's just a great way to interact with students. And then once you're ready, you'll hit the present button. Students will join this code. And then once they're all in, they can respond to different prompts. And again, this timer is really nice as well because they will have to respond within a certain time, which just kind of motivates students to um, get their task completed. So try it out today. Create your own lesson and see what topics you can come up with.